Looking for Ipe level hardness at a sharper price point? Massaranduba 2x6 Pregrooved is your answer. Nominal 2x6, actual dimensions 1.5 by 5.5 inches. Stock lengths run from 1 to 22 feet. The pre-grooved profile is precision milled for standard hidden clip systems. Clean surface, consistent board spacing, faster install than face screwing. Massaranduba, also called Brazilian redwood or bullet wood, features a deep reddish-brown tone with fine uniform grain. It weathers to silver gray if left unsealed, or you can oil it to maintain that rich color. The pre-grooved edges are factory cut for reliable clip engagement, board after board. Janka hardness, 3,190 pounds force. That's harder than most exotic hardwoods on the market. Naturally resistant to rot, insects, mold, and marine borers without any chemical treatment. Rated for up to 50+ years in ground contact and exterior applications. Exterior Hardwood Certified, sourced from managed Brazilian forests. Ships direct to job site or terminal. As NHLA and IWPA members, we grade and inspect every board before shipment. Get a custom quote or shop online at ipewoods.com. Mill direct, no middleman markup.